Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's video I have for you this dramatic gold and silver makeup tutorial. I really hope that you like it. So if you wanna see how I got this look, stay tuned, and now let's get started. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more. To start off this makeup look today, I'm gonna use the eyeshadow base primer by P.Louise. And this is the shade number 2. I'm gonna apply using a concealer brush all over the eyelid. I just need a base to apply the shadows on top. So for this step, if you want, you can use a concealer, your favorite full coverage concealer. It will help a lot. And blend it out with the same beauty blender that I apply foundation. And next, to create the shape of my makeup look, I'm gonna use the gel liner Wicked by Sigma as a black eyeshadow base as well. And to apply this gel liner, I'm gonna use a very small angled brush. I'm gonna start off applying like a cat eyeliner in the outer corner of my eyes, and next I'm gonna just fill the outer corner, and what is left in the brush I'm gonna apply in the lower lash line as well. Using the gel liner, I just want to create a dark base for the shadows that I'm gonna apply later on. And now I'm gonna use the Chocolate Gold palette by Untitled Cosmetics. This palette is amazing, so beautiful and high quality. So I'm gonna start off using the black eyeshadow right on top of the black eyeshadow base that I used before. And with a small brush, I'm gonna apply smudging the edges of the gel liner, and at the same time, a little at a time, I'm gonna be adding the product. This will help me to make this makeup look more dramatic and intense as I want it to be. Next, in my crease, I'm gonna apply this light brown eyeshadow in the Super Transition shade, and I'm gonna apply it with a smaller blending brush and blend in circular motions. What is left in the brush, I'm gonna bring it to the inner corner of my eyes and still keep blending and adding the products a little at a time, again and again, till I achieve the effects that I want for this makeup look, and also the intensity. With the same color, I'm gonna apply in the lower lash line just to smudge the edges and blend this part of the lower lash line just to hold the whole look together. And now I'm gonna be adding a little more black into this look because I want to create something more dramatic. That's why I decided to go back with a lot more black eyeshadow, but if you want something more light and soft, you can just skip this step. And with a small brush, I'm gonna be applying the lower lash line again. All the brushes that I'm using in this makeup tutorial are from Sigma Beauty. I'm gonna link down below for you guys my favorite brush set with Sigma Beauty, which is Melissa Samways favorites. Most of the brushes that I'm using here are in this set, so if you're interested to see, it is in the description box. And now for the fun part, I'm gonna be adding the shimmery shades. So I'm gonna start off with this copper shade in the other corner of my eyes, and this is very beautiful, and these colors are so pigmented. The texture is very buttery, so it layers beautifully in the eyelid, and I really like it because it makes the color so vibrant, as you can see here, and very pigmented. I'm gonna be adding a little at a time just to avoid the fallouts. This is not a problem in this palette, by the way, but I always like to be careful with any eyeshadow palette. And next, I'm gonna apply this gold shade, which is amazing. It's a beautiful yellow gold shade. I'm gonna apply by side of the copper shade with the same brush as before, and I'm gonna make sure to blend these colors together very well, but I want them concentrated in their own place at the same time. So I will blend them, but I don't want to blend too much. And next, in the inner corner of my eyes, I'm gonna use the Eyelid liquid eyeshadow by P.Louise Cosmetics, and with a pencil brush I'm gonna apply just in the inner corner of my eyes to highlight a little more, and this is a beautiful silver shade. And now I'm gonna apply right on top of this liquid eyeshadow by P.Louise Cosmetics, this amazing pigment by NYX. I really love this color in this deep pigment number 20. I'm gonna apply it with a normal shader brush because this pigment has a lot of glitter, so I'm gonna apply in the inner corner, and also I'm gonna apply a little bit on top of the first gold eyeshadow in the eyelid. So I just apply my fake lashes, and this is how I finished this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like this video, follow me on Instagram to see more pictures of my work, and comment down below what you think about this makeup look and also what you want to see next here in my channel. Stay safe at home, and I see you later in the next videos. Bye, take care.